Hey there, it's Matt here, and a common question I always get asked is, do you have trailers on display? We have the largest and pretty much the only massive display in Australia. Now, let me just show you a couple of things that we've actually got here. This is our King Kong. Well, first, you're greeted by the actual transformer, so you can transform your life with a Food Trailer King food trailer, okay? Coming up soon, you'll be seeing our trucks, and one truck's underway over there, actual food truck. And then when you come over here, you'll see different trailers. This is the Maxi Elite here. This is actually a customer's trailer, so you will see customers' trailers not far off being done. The supersizer ice cream trailer, another trailer over there, a couple other trailers in here, and we've still got more, okay, that you can actually see all these trailers and touch and feel them. This is a pizza trailer, a barbecue trailer, which is a club special. There's a whole heap of stuff. We need some more lights in here, but you get the idea. So you can see all the trailers. I believe that there's nowhere else in Australia that actually has this sort of setup and so much stuff to see. We have people flying up from Melbourne, Sydney, Perth, regularly flying up here. It's beautiful downtown Mooloolaba. People can come through, check things out and so on and so forth. Check out, it's a little country town. You drive through the sugarcane fields on the way out. Yeah, we're only about 20 minutes down south from the Gold Coast Airport, Coolangatta Airport. So anyway, one of the things you want to do is you can always watch the video that I run through all the different trailers, but if you want to physically touch, feel and see the trailers, you're definitely welcome. Just let us know in advance before you come. And there's always someone here, but we want to make sure the right person's here to be able to help you understand what exactly is in the food trailer.